PowerPoint is an extremely powerful presentation package. Let's start by opening one of the installed templates so that we can get used to moving around a PowerPoint presentation and the names of various parts of your screen. What I'd like to do is ask you to click on File in the ribbon and then click on New. There are a number of templates that you can take advantage of to save you designing a presentation from scratch. What I'd like to do is double click Sample Templates. And in here also are a number of templates we can also use. Contemporary Photo Album is the one I'd like to choose, so I'll click Contemporary Photo Album and then I'll click the Create button. You've immediately got a presentation in front of you. In fact, if I look in the lower left of my screen, I can see this presentation has 6 slides. With regards to the screen, starting at the very top of your screen, the name of the presentation appears in the title bar. My presentation at this point in time is called Presentation 2. To the left of the title bar is what they call the Quick Access Toolbar, and what I'd like to do is move this below what they call the ribbon. The ribbon is this large panel here. To move the Quick Access Toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button and then click the option Show below the ribbon. We now have all this area here to add shortcuts to make working with PowerPoint nice and quick and easy. We have 3 shortcuts at present, one for Save, one for Undo and one for Repeat. I'm going to hit the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button again and tick all the options that are listed here above the dotted line. I already have 3 options ticked, but I'm going to tick New. I'll go back into the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button and also tick Open. In fact, I'm going to tick all of these options, simply by clicking on each option. These are shortcuts to make working with PowerPoint quick and easy. In addition to this list of options that you see here, you can also ask for more commands. So I'm going to click More Commands. In this window here, Microsoft have listed the popular commands in PowerPoint. And in this list here are all the commands I currently have. What I'd like to do is change popular commands to all commands. So I'll click this drop down and I'll click All Commands. As you can see, there are a lot of commands available to you. And to save me a little bit of scrolling, I'm going to click in this list and press the letter C on my keyboard. This will jump me down to those commands beginning with C, and I'm after a command that's called Close. This particular Close button will enable me to quickly close a presentation when I don't want to work with the presentation anymore. So I'll click Close and I'll click Add, and this has added it to my collection of buttons. What you can also do is rearrange the order of your buttons using these 2 buttons. I can move a command up and I can move a command down. For example, I'm going to move Open Recent File up and put it under Open just by clicking this button several times to move it up. I'm going to click the Close button and move this option up and put it under Open Recent File just by hitting the Move Up button. So you can rearrange your buttons in an order that makes sense to you. When I click the OK button, I've customized my Quick Access Toolbar. Another important part of your screen is the ribbon, which I briefly mentioned earlier. The ribbon is organized into various tabs, the Insert tab, the Design tab, and so on. In each tab are groups. This is the Slides group. This is the Font group. The one thing about the ribbon is people do accidentally or otherwise lose the ribbon. And how they achieve this is by double-clicking the ribbon tab. If I double-click Home, for example, I'll lose or minimize my ribbon. And if I double-click Home again, I bring my ribbon back. Another important part of your screen is towards the bottom of this large slide. As you move your mouse down, it will switch from this current white arrow to this black double-headed arrow. If I drag this up, I can resize the bottom of my screen. And now I can see what they call the Notes page. And this allows me to add little notes to each slide to remind myself what I'm supposed to say with each slide. So I'll welcome everybody. And I'll thank the sponsors.